Good morning, guys. What's happening? What's going on? This is the next day. We are still at Kaza. Well, we were supposed to leave at 6 in the morning, but it started raining and it got chillier. I am supposed to wear my zipper, but today I'm not wearing thermals because by the time we reach Rampur, okay, everyone is saying that Rampur in one day is tough, but we are a couple of drivers, so we'll do 4 hours of shift and we'll pull it and reach Rampur. Because if we reach Rampur from there, Gurgaon is just 9 hours, 8 to 9 hours or 10 hours max. So yes, my nose is tanned because of the sunstroke. We were hanging out for all this and I did not sleep well. You can see that, guys. You know how last days are. This monastery I could not show you guys because every time I go there, that guy is praying and it's shut. By the time in the night when we come back, it's shut. So sorry about that, guys, but it's really good. And now I'm gonna have my breakfast. We are all packed and we'll take shifts of driving. I'm pretty excited to drive again. You guys know I love to drive, and I did have an opportunity to ride a Bullet last night, but unfortunately in the dark I can't vlog, so I was not very excited for that. But anyways, no worries about that, you guys understand. And now we'll have breakfast and let's see how this day winds up. So it's 8:15 now and we are heading. We have a very difficult target. I think this would be a 12-hour to 14-hour drive and we have to hit Rampur. So all set. It's 8:15 and I'll show you guys what I saw here. Yes, that's the reddish green. You guys can, he has a Ladakh carrier. So we have a long target. We have to reach Rampur today, and that's a long drive, 12 to 14 hours of drive. And mountain driving, you guys already saw the clips, it's very difficult. You can't go more than 40-50 kilometers per hour speed. That means even if you do 20 kilometers, that means if something shows 100 kilometers, means 4 to 4.5 hours. That's how it is. Plus these guys are shooting, so whenever they stop for a shoot, for a shot, it gets a little complicated. I mean, it gets delayed, you know. So let's see if we can pull it. Awesome. Otherwise we'll stay at Poo or something before that, how we came back. But if we pull till Rampur, will be good for us, so that we can book our flight tickets, and that's the plan. The car was washed but then got dirty again, and that's my backpack. My selfie stick goes here. That's our supplies, by the way, guys. That box has all our water, snacks and nitbits to eat on the way, because sometimes we get stuck in the mountain, and we did get stuck and we needed supplies. And let's go. Okay, so we're in the car. Okay. He deserves that because he finished all our mints. He eats mints like chips. That's what he did, and that's why Ghulam's sitting here. Finished all our mints. This brat. Oh fuck! So the owner of this place has the Himalayan, and we are heading back now. So thought we'll stop by, have a cup of tea, send him by for the hospitality. It was really awesome, and this is the beast I wanted to ride. It's available from today, and I am going. Oh my god, sorry Himalayan.
Dining is that side.
Okay, so guys, this is the another project which will be called Sakya Boat. So when you're out here, make sure you come to this place also. This is also the same owner, and these are all the rooms. So he's setting up now. This is going to be the entire chill out place. You can see all the work going on. These are the rooms, work going on. You can see. I like it. Nice stickers. All rooms getting done.
अभी पूरा mess में है सर.
Oh.
पर वही है.
Seriously. Dope. So this is the main area, like how he has the other one. And check this out. All stickers, memories. Wow, this is so traditional, you know. This is really traditional, huh?
This is totally functional.
And that'll be the downstairs, the kitchen area, and this is really good.
बोलते हैं सर गुरुजी का फोटो रखा दलाई
It's the map of Lahaul and Spiti district. We are there at Kaza. So guys, Shireen is the owner and this is the place. Pretty good. You should come here. So we are in the market now, having a tea break, and this is the shop. We check the cafe on top. Yeah, all these small cafes are around. So we're going to a tea stall to have tea, and we've stacked up with chips, biscuits, and whatever we need because now we will drive non-stop. Rohan made a biggest mistake. He's wearing his thermals still inside, and he's feeling hot.
No doubt.
So guys, this is how the stray dogs look. Hello. Seriously, this is how it looks, the stray dogs. So we just crossed this river front and we are going that side. And we are setting up our tents there to chill out a little bit. And these guys can get good shots and we can rest and then head back. But I think we won't make it to Rampur today because shooting time is really delaying and I don't think so we'll be on time. So we might stay at Poo and then we might take 2 more extra days to reach Gurgaon. So let's see how it is. They are setting up the cameras and everything. It was real good fun because we had to reshoot all the water shots. So I must have taken 6-7 drives on 4-wheel. I'm on 4-wheel completely in the riverfront. Basically it's not that deep, all right, it's I think just a foot, maybe a foot or two, not that deep, but it was really good fun and I love off-roading. Look at these beautiful flowers next to our tent. Awesome, right? See, it's so cool. Okay, I think Sonu's already here and I am sleeping in this tent. Is amazing and comfortable. Wow, this was so required, seriously. I'm chilling in the tent, see you guys. I think I'll take a nap. See the view. That's the view outside my tent, guys. Awesome, right? So jate 1 ghanta. So half an hour, 1 hour we'll sleep. Tent is amazing. And chilling in the tent is awesome. I'm just looking forward someday to literally stay off there. But we have to carry on. Rohan just left his drone out here. Alright. And Suresh Anna left, oh no, that's my GoPro. Okay, Suresh Anna left his tripod stand below, which is also a mount by the way for all GoPro and stuff. And this is the water stream which we kept crossing continuously for our off-roading mode, and that's where we are parked. You can see that. It is so beautiful and so much fun. So I requested these guys, let's stay back, it'll be fun. We can chill in the tent. We have all the supplies in our cars, you know, but unfortunately they all have to go back and even I have to, so that you guys can get these vlogs, right? So this is the rock, that's the puddle, and I'm trying to do a disc form and throw it. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the shoot is over now and it's 11 o'clock. Yes, I have tanned out more, even my arms are getting tanned now. It's too much heat now suddenly. So now we are heading towards, okay, we cancelled Rampur definitely, it's 11 o'clock, doesn't make sense, so we are staying at Poo. And tomorrow we'll drive more towards Gurgaon. So again 2 days we'll take to reach Gurgaon. Alright, so now let's proceed, and we did some crazy shots and I think you guys should see these shots. Whenever I get off this car, I get very bad static current. very bad. This time I got a very bad one on my hand. Okay, check this location. So Gulam is now about to expose because he has mountaineer's pants, which if you feel too hot, this is what you do, guys. See this guy. Live strip show. Oh, it goes all the way till your shorts and you can be free. These pants are awesome, man. Now he's comfortable. See that? This is how the pants look after you open it. See that? Gulam's gone crazy. These are crazy pants, man. And when you speak, that's when I know. Tea break time. Good drive. Craigie, good drive. And just to let you know, guys, there's some crazy incident happened while while going to Kaza. Okay, you guys know. Okay, so Gulam was actually left. So Gulam, why were you left here? Any idea? What happened actually?
Not left here, I was left behind.
He was left behind.
I got dropped.
And that's the massage session happening because Greg is driving.
Driver always gets a nice massage.
Yeah. What is that? I think it's sheep wool. They put it on something to look like a face.
Yeah. Two eyes.
Yeah, this is of sheep. This is of sheep.
Those big sheep, no?
Yeah.
This tea has cardamom. It tastes really good. And now we are having chow mein and we are adding eggs to that chow mein. That donkey is really adorable. Huh? Oh, so cute they are, man. Really, they are so good looking donkeys I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. You know what's the best thing? They use the thukpa ka noodle. So that's rice and hand pulled. You know, they made it. It's not instant. So I bought these dried apple. They're dried and they are from Himachal. You can see. So I'm gonna use this in my muesli and they're organic 100%. Can you imagine for 75 rupees? This I would get anywhere in like 500 bucks in Mumbai. Okay guys, what's happening? Okay, so my turn of driving is complete now. So Rohan is taking the wheels and I'm just gonna sleep. Okay, so I will wake up and vlog again. Till then, good night guys. Good morning guys, what's going on? Today is another day and we have reached Tapi or it's called Tapu, I don't know, and this is ahead of Poo, quite ahead of Poo. Now if we make it to Chandigarh and from there to Gurgaon before 9 or 10 in the night, then we'll continue, otherwise we might have one more stay. Completely depends on how we drive it. Okay, so that's my bag, it's packed, you guys can see, and I don't think so you guys can see much, but that's the basic view. It's like a village and you can see people on the other side. Yet another day in Kaza. Actually we have left Kaza quite long back. Well, we could not achieve Rampur. Just confirmed that this place is called Tapi. Actually last night this whole place looked abandoned. It was pitch dark. We just parked the pink one there. That's where we stayed. That's like a homestay. And that was only open that night. So he charged us $600 for a night, which was not bad. Double occupancy, decent shower and hot water. So that was good. And this was full. This is what we tried to hit on last night, but it was packed or booked. And yeah, so Tapi has a waterfall as well, so I'm just walking towards that. These guys are changing now. I'm already up since 6 in the morning. 7 was the time, sharp 7 I'm out, and right now it's 7 in the morning. I'm talking to you guys. From now till Gurgaon is literally 15 hours of drive. We're not sure if we'll be able to do it. Well, we can if we push our limits, and mostly we are planning to achieve that so that we reach Delhi by today, I mean Gurgaon by today. And once that is done, then tomorrow I can book my flights for Mumbai. So now all about the road. We're not having breakfast here. Okay, we're just having tea here. Though I'm starving, I need my eggs or some kind of fruits. But there's a very nice tea shop next to it. The lady owns it. I think we're gonna sit there and have tea. You see that, guys? That's pure marijuana growing right here. You see the seeds? You see that? These are the seeds of the weed, okay? Let's pluck. Oh my god. That's weed. That's... Okay, this is all wild weed. Okay, so weed smokers, you have no idea. Though it's raw right now, you can see that. Let me show it to you. Yeah, so this is all weed. Check it out. This is all weed here. Just growing like that. Okay, so that's the tea. Ready? There's a tea stall here which we were supposed to go, but these guys gave us the tea. So this is the Prince Dhaba. This is the tea stall. We are having tea here. Cream roll and tea. Yeah, so this cream roll is really good. There's a bakery just behind there. So we're just chilling and having this. Very crispy. Very nice. Loving it. Feels good bagging kids behind, dropping them to school. This is now a school bus, officially. Okay, we made a mistake of putting kids. Now we have more kids who want lift. And I think our truck is full now with kids behind. Oh my god. Official school bus. And when you speak, that's when I know you're all I need. And then you smile. And when you speak, that's when I know you're all I need. You're all I need. As you guys can see, we have not left the mountains yet. It's a long drive, and that's where we are having breakfast. Masala omelette with paratha. That's mine. Paratha, right? Okay. So I'm having plain omelette. So aloo paratha, omelette, and we are having some yogurt. This brat, Rohan, sent me all the way up, said there's a washroom, and check this out. There is no washroom. I went all the way upstairs. See that? I climbed all the way till that green patch. This guy told me there's a washroom there, and I went there. This is what this guy does. Kill him. Malnourished, very malnourished horse. Here donkeys are very fat and healthy, and horses poor are malnourished. Check these horses, man. applause, bro. Highway to hell. So I'm at this spot now. This is called white apricot, and out here they call it shakarpara. And these are apricots.
Yellow
They are yellow apricots, and they are like a little sour and sweet. But this is completely sweet, and it's really yum. So I'm planning to take one box home. I already have tried, and they have awesome cherries. But cherries won't sustain till I reach because Delhi is very hot. It might get spoiled. So I'll take one of these. Finally I found the yak, and he has the yak point. I'll show you guys. These are the yaks. Look at them, man. Look at these yaks. They're so big, and you can saddle up if you want. And for that they charge 50 bucks. And good. You can see. Sorry, to shoot karega. Now in Shimla. Raining in Shimla. Okay, we stopped by because check these fruits out.
Apricot.
Green apricots, peaches, apples, green apples, cherries,
चाकू कहाँ है छोटा?
almonds. It's raining, and I'm getting in the car. Oh boy, you won't believe there's a hailstorm here. Such big pieces of ice. Can you hear that? Okay, that's hailstorm. Okay, right? That's my first hailstorm in India I'm experiencing. There's such big pieces. Okay, I got to inform these guys. Hailstorm, hailstorm. It's a hailstorm. I'm just informing these guys. Okay, I got to show. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Can you hear that? Oh my god. I am. Look at the bonnet. Look at the bonnet. Full of ice. Oh my god. These are big ass. Oh shit. I hope they don't crack the glass, man. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. That's all ice. Oh my god. Guys, entire road full of hailstorm. Oh my god, this is a very dangerous one, man. I have a feeling the glass would break. Because there's a big jam, and you have to see what Suresh Anna is doing. He's on top of the wall. See that there's a huge jam. This is a very common. Landslide is very common. We have faced more than 8 to 10 landslides already. Yep, can you imagine we had McDonald's? Okay, the reason we had McDonald's is so that we can use the washroom. We were supposed to eat something there, but there was no washroom there. So we came to McDonald's so we can use the washroom and eat something now. Now that we are here, and now we are here, and what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You don't need it. He's the guy who tricked me to go use a washroom somewhere where there was no washroom. He's the guy. देखो ये वो चेहरा देख लो भाई लोग, देख लो इसी को मारना. 12:30 and we have 2 more hours to reach Gurgaon and having tandoori chicken at one of the dhabas. Tandoori chicken! So finally we made it, guys. Everyone's excited because we made it. We are not in the mountains, now we are in the city. and Gulam is on the van right now. Everyone's happy that we made it. Finally. Yes.
Hi.
Everyone's super excited. All the stress is gone. Seriously, all the stress is gone. 4 in the morning. Reached at see the time. 4 in the morning. Reached at 3:30. But we are so excited that we did this trip with no accidents and no doubts. We drove crazy, continuous hours and hours and hours. In fact, since 8 days we are on road continuously. All right. So we are proud of ourselves and we are celebrating with having some breezers because they were in the fridge. So we are still not giving up and partying and celebrating.
क्लिक किया, 2 क्लिक किया, and एक्सपोजर चेंज किया और एक क्लिक किया.
Cheers.
Then suddenly I just cheers.
Cheers.
A photo.
Photo time. Cheers. Cheers, guys.
ए उठे. Roll man. Almost into the contour. I can see that.
That side. There. Where are you going? I have a towel. Good morning, guys. What's happening? What's going on? Okay, don't look at my nose. This is completely tan. It's my mistake. There's a lot of heat and cold mix, but I did not put the right sunblock. And now I'm enjoying my tea. And it is extremely hot in Gurgaon. It's extremely hot. So I'm in the room which has nice AC. So I'm chilling here. And what we're gonna do is now me and Rohan are gonna do a lot of transfer of videos and stuff like that so that I can go back home and start the edit process. Well, this is what it is. My flight is 9:30 or 10 in the night, so we have some time. So what we'll do is today will be a very chill day, though it's very hot, so we'll go for some place to have lunch and chill out. Till now I've not eaten any breakfast or anything. This is my first thing which I'm having. I had an awesome shower. I feel really fresh. I had a good nap, not bad. I have no body pain, nothing like that. So I'm quite fresh, but can't bear the heat here. So heading for lunch now. Everyone's hungry. We're going to a place called Tunde Kebabs. Alright, that's a very famous delicacy. Basically they have galati kebabs out there. So we're going for that. Automatic, quid, customized. What else do you want? It looks so neat, man. No parathas, no omelette, no makhan.
No makhan, no tukka.
Totally different. Right?
Safed makhan.
And Suresh, no?
Yes.
No parathas, no makhan. Bored of that. Bored of eating that. So that's Tunde Kebabi, where we are going. I went to take that shot and it is extremely hot inside. Oof, and I don't know how they sit inside and still make it. And well, the story, I think most of the people know about this galati kebab. It's like basically there was a big emperor and he lost his set of teeth and he could not chew the kebabs which he used to love. So that person made it softer for him and named it as galati kebab so that the emperor could eat. Something like that, the story is there. It's mentioned on the wall, but it's extremely hot and there are people sitting there, so I can't take that shot. But let's eat this and see how it tastes. Okay, first bite of the famous Galati Tunde kebabs with paratha. Oh my god, extremely soft.
Is it spicy?
It's like cream. So basically the emperor was happy that he got the same flavors in a more softer version so he could eat. Little tangy and meaty and creamy. Now let's try the Sikh. Wow, this is good. Sikh is yummy. And now some kick-ass biryani. I like the kebab and the biryani more. Really nice. Definitely skipping dinner. 100,000,000% not having dinner. We'll have some coffee right now. Oh no, I'll have the Earl Grey to digest all this what I ate, but not having dinner for sure. All set to leave now. Actually my flight is quite delayed, but I'm still going early with Craig because Craig's flight is at 9:50, mine is at 10:30. So I have borrowed some movies from Rohan and Rohan is helping me pack. So sweet of him. Check this out. See, so we found these to pack our fruits which we bought, and Craig also bought some fruits, so we got him this so we can tie. So we are well packed. You guys can see we have a lot of fruits we are carrying for our house, and I hope my parents will be happy. Some fresh fruits, and I think we are on time. There's a big jam, but it's all right. Craig is flying before me and my flight is at 10:30. We are going by Go Air, and I shall see you at the airport. Security check done now, and there is 1 hour left, so I found this nice place. That's the place. I'll be there, and let's have some beer. This place is called Delhiites, and they have pretty good deals on the food. It's a little expensive on the beer, but this is for like 350 or 360 rupees. But I can have one mug, and I'll start rendering and editing my files now. So guys, watching John Wick 2, crazy movie, having my beer. I have 1 more to kill and then catch the flight. Okay guys, you know what happened? Craig is still here. You know what happened? So basically Craig was carrying a power bank, and he